Jai Srimannarayana. 396th Namam from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam from 43rd Sloka. Om Ramaya Namaha. O Srimannarayana, I realize that you are the one who captivates all the entities with your great divine Swarupam and great divine qualities. With your Rupam, with your Gunam, you influence, you captivate all the entities and you keep all the entities within your control and you keep all the entities happy forever. That is why you are known as Rama. O Srimannarayana, that is the reason Sakshat Paramasiva also teaches to Parvati Devi, saying that, O Parvati, just one Namam Rama is in equivalent of saying thousands of namas of Paramatma. Such powerful is Ramanamam. O Srimannarayana, not only that, Narada Maharshi is the one who taught Ramanamam to Valmiki Bhagavan. Such Narada Maharshi discloses and announces to the entire creation, saying that, oh my dear people, keep on saying Rama, Rama. You know what does this Ramanamam say? Does Bharjanam Bhava Bijanam Arjanam Sarvasampadam Tarjanam Yamadutanam Rama Rameti Garjanam. Keep on saying Rama, Rama loudly. Then all the deeds, past deeds will be burnt into ashes. That Ramanamam does. Then Ramanamam does another thing is, brings you all the prosperity for you to enjoy in this life, all the riches. And other thing Ramanamam does is, at the time of your death, it makes sure that Yamadutas are not at all coming too close to you. This Ramanamam chases Yamadutas away from you at the time of your death. Such great things this Ramanamam does. This is how Narada Maharshi announces to the entire world. O Srimannarayana, such powerful Rama, with that Namam, you are the one who is addressed. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Ramaya Namaha. Om Ramaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org. and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.